everyone and welcome to the Safety and Compliance Center. I am Bilal Khan and I will simplify the Nebosh IGC course for you. I am very confident that by the end of this session you will have much better understanding of the topic if you solve the exercises given in each session. In this session we are going to explore the fundamental reasons for managing the health and safety in the workplace, covering the moral, legal and the financial aspects. It is important to understand some basic terminologies that will be used throughout this course. The health refers to the absence of disease or ill health. It means that ensuring that the workers are not exposed to the working conditions that could harm their physical or mental health. The safety is the absence of serious risk of personal injury. It involves the identification of hazard and the implementation of preventive measures to ensure that the accident does not happen during the work. And finally, the welfare refers to the provision of access to basic facilities like access to clean drinking water, the toilet facilities, the rest areas, and the safe working environment. Well, these slides I will leave it to you. Why might the management of an organization does not consider the health and safety as a priority? So drop your ideas in the comment section to keep this session interactive and learning from each other. Well, the first reason for managing the health and safety at workplace is a moral reason. Every worker has the right to go home safe and be healthy at the end of the day. Preventing harm, suffering, and the long-term health issues is not just a legal or financial case, but it is a moral as well. So let's look at a global impact of a poor workplace health and safety based on the data provided by the International Labour Organization Safe Work Program. They are saying every year there are over 350,000 fatal work-related accidents. In total, 2.75 million people die each year from the work-related causes, including 2.4 million from the occupational disease. Additionally, we see 270 million non-fatal workplace accidents and 160 million cases of work-related illnesses annually. So these accidents have a huge financial impact, as well as an estimated 4% of the global GDP is lost due to the workplace accidents and ill health cases. These figures highlight just how critical it is for the organization to take the health and safety seriously, not just for the legal compliance, but to save the lives and reduce the human suffering in the workplaces. Again, we have an exercise. Let's consider the real world consequences of a serious workplace accidents. Imagine an employee at your workplace has been badly injured on the job. Take a moment to think and what are the possible effects and implications for the company, for the injured person, and for the line manager. Share your thoughts in the comment section below to grow learning from each other. Well, one of the key reasons to manage the health and safety at workplace is to prevent the financial impact of accident or the ill health cases. These costs include the direct cost, meaning the measurable cost or the expenses arising straightforwardly from the accident, such as the medical treatment cost, the compensation, or the repairs to the damaged property. But there are also the indirect cost. These might not be obvious and immediately too easy to quantify. Examples like the lost productivity, the recruitment cost, and the training cost for the new staff, and the damage to the employee morale or the business reputation. Failure to manage the health and safety does not just affect the individual companies, but it can have a significant impact on the wider economy through the increased healthcare cost and the lost working time. By preventing the accidents and ill health, organizations can avoid these financial burdens and improve their overall operational efficiency. When we consider the financial impact of a workplace accidents, it is important to understand both the insured and uninsured cost. The insured cost expenses covered by the insurance company, such as the fire damage, the worker injuries or death claims and medical treatment. But many costs remains uninsured and often go unnoticed. These include the loss of raw materials, the sick pay provided to the worker, the overtime, equipment repairs, and the wasted resources. These hidden costs can add up a quickly and significant effect on the company's finance. This is where the iceberg model help us visualize the full picture of the financial impact of an accident on the company. The visible tip of the iceberg represent the serious accidents and the insured cost we commonly see. Below the surface lies the much larger and the hidden mass of the uninsured cost. So, managing health and safety effectively means addressing both the visible and the hidden cost. Well, in this session, we covered the two reasons of the moral reason and the financial reason, and the part two of this lecture will cover the legal reason. To finish this section, let's recap with a quick exercise. Can you name the three reasons for managing the health and safety? Also, what do you think that an employer should provide to ensure the health and safety at workplace? Take a moment to think about your answers and please drop them in the comments section below so that we can maintain an interactive session and learn from each other.